You didn't click accept, you didn't sign a form, you just existed. And somewhere, a machine in a cold server room looked at your grocery receipt and whispered, "Nope, apparently ice cream plus beer equals unhinged." These are called AI agents. Which sounds cute, like a Pixar character. But they're more like a Roomba with a badge and unresolved authority issues. They made decisions, fast, quiet, wrong. One guy got denied a mortgage because his Spotify playlist had too many breakup songs. AI said he lacked stability. Another got flagged at work for overusing exclamation marks. Emotional volatility detected, also poor taste. These systems don't explain, they just execute, and if you ask why, you get a cheery message, "Sorry." That decision has already been made by Chad and AI, built-in beta with a coffee addiction and no ethics module. You won't know you were judged, you'll just lose access to things, jobs, housing, love. Maybe the AI saw a typo in your dating profile. Now your soulmate's getting matched with a fridge technician in Ohio. In theory, AI agents make life smoother. In practice, they're digital bouncers, kicking you out of your own future. And when it screws up, you get to appeal to help bot. Who opens with, "Hey there, I totally get your frustration," and ends with, "You've been statistically deprecated. Survey?" Filed, review, lost, hope, optional, subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.